Lock it, leave it, love it. KIMILAR Anti-Theft Doorbell Mount. No drills, no thieves, no worries. Say goodbye to doorbell theft with the KIMILAR Anti-Theft Video Doorbell Mount. This cleverly designed mount locks your video doorbell securely without the need for any drills or permanent fixtures. Built for houses, apartments, and businesses, it fits a wide range of doors, ensuring your doorbell stays exactly where it belongs, on your door. Compatible with popular Ring and Blink models, it's the ultimate defense against sticky fingers. What sets this anti-theft mount apart is its adjustable design. Not only does it fit doors between 0.6 and 2.3 inches thick, but it also allows you to slide your doorbell to the perfect position. Whether your door opens left or right, this bracket has you covered. With its sleek look and intelligent engineering, you'll forget all about those clunky, unattractive mounts that often mar the front of your home. Installing the KIMILAR mount is so easy, even a child could do it, though we recommend adult supervision. Just place your doorbell inside, adjust the fixed clip, and boom, you're done in minutes. No tools, no mess, no hassle. It's the ultimate plug-and-play solution for renters or anyone who doesn't want to drill into their door, but still wants top-notch security for their doorbell. Durability is key when it comes to keeping your tech safe, and KIMILAR doesn't disappoint. Built with sturdy materials that withstand the elements and everyday wear, this mount is as tough as they come. Rain, wind, nosy neighbors, it can handle it all while keeping your doorbell snugly in place. Talk about peace of mind without a high price tag. Affordability meets efficiency with the KIMILAR Anti-Theft Mount. Why risk losing your expensive video doorbell when you can invest in this simple, effective, and budget-friendly solution? It's a smart buy for anyone who wants to keep their home secure, save money, and avoid the nightmare of replacing stolen gadgets.